Okay. Alright, so this is the two fender that I custom made for the mini monster bike. This is the rear fender, and that is the front. So what I did is cut this plastic piece. Alright, so I put that in the oven. I set my oven to 350 degree. So just put in there for about 5 minutes. Just baked in there for about 5 minutes and took it out, and then lay that on top of the tire, so that mold into the shape of the tire. So that's how I made the fender, right? From this plastic piece into that, you can see the mark of the tire. You can see the thing. Yeah, it looks just like the tire, but that's how I made the fender. And this piece is missing the front piece, so I cut this piece off with the 5-gallon bucket, and same thing, just bake it into the oven, and then put it right into the other fender that I have, the other half that I have. So put something in there to make the shape, and let's look, see that. So that's how you mold it. And what you do, just put it into the oven, and then wait for about 4 or 5 minutes until it almost melted, and then put it right there, and then it will become the shape. Okay. Okay, see that? It looks really nice. Now it's time to put the chains on. Alright, so just gonna put the chains on and go from there. Alright, so I'm finished up everything here, and this is a cool mini monster bike from a 3-wheel. Okay, so the everything. See, I make a custom solo seat. Have a spring underneath there for the little bouncing. I mean, kids. So got the brake line, it worked perfectly. All right. So you want to start it?
Kind of hard to.
And this is the man that's gonna ride it. Huh? You don't know how? Okay. Yeah, let me show you. Come here. Okay, so what you do is push that there, and this is off and then on. So pull this pin all the way up. So Luna, here's another bong. You say on and off. Okay. So nhớ chơi tao nó. Yep. Yep. Gotta hold it. You need to pull harder. There you go. No, let it go. See that? Okay, that's how it works. Single pull. Alright. So everything's working. Throttle. Alright. So now you can pull that back. Yeah, pull that back. Yep, there you go. Pull it back to one. Alright. So hold it. Alright, let me get it down there. Right?
Well, it's like weird.
Again, go slow.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, there you go. Make sure you don't burn yourself on that thing.
I tried.
Okay, here's the guy that's riding. Go slow. Go slow, you don't fall. There you go. Wow, that's cool meter bike. It's It's really cool mini monster bike. Yeah. Yeah, pretty cool. And this thing go around 30 miles per hour. This thing go around 30 miles per hour. Yeah. There's a race coming up, so I'll take the guy and take my boy to the meet up and we'll go from there. That is really cool bike. It's too bad we can't ride on the street. So just ride on here and then ride on the cul-de-sac here. Huh? Easy, no? Alright. You kinda like it. Enjoy it. So it's brand new and everything. Just the frame, it's a used one, but the tire, the motor, the brake line, throttle line, everything, the seat, the lights, everything, it's brand new. Alright. So he's gonna enjoy it. Alright, that's it for now, and make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll do more video when we go on the race. Alright, so long from Minnesota.